Do you want Python to display text, numbers, and even calculations on the screen? If so, the first thing you need to learn is how the print function works.
So, what is the print function? The print function is one of the most important functions in Python. In fact, you will use it almost all the time when working with Python. Inside the print function, anything you write inside double quotes will be displayed on the screen. But remember, using double quotes is not always required in every situation. We will explore that more clearly in the upcoming videos. Now, let's see what the print function can actually do. It can display text, it can display numbers, it can even show calculations. Did you notice something? Why didn't we use double quotes for numbers? If you know the answer, let me know in the comments. I will explain it in the next videos.
Python reads your code line by line, so even if there is an error in your program, Python will still print the output of all the lines before the error.
Now let's look at a small print trick. Look at the code on the screen. Can you guess the output? Here, hello and world are two separate words, but they are printed on the same line. The value we give in sep will appear between the words. It is used to separate values. Instead of a dash, you can also use a space or any character you like. Next is the end parameter. Normally, each print statement goes to a new line, but with end, we can control that behavior. Here, we used a space as the end value, so the next print statement continues on the same line. You can also use other values, like a comma or any custom text inside quotes. Now it's your turn. Try answering the questions shown on the screen and write your answers in the comments. Now you should have a basic idea about the Python print function. In the next video, we will learn about variables and data types. And that's where Python starts becoming really interesting. Don't forget to subscribe for more interesting Python videos.